Here, I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify, and we will see how we can create any new section design, any new UI using AI in Shopify. Like you don't need to write a code or anything. You just need what section you need, what UI you want to customize. If you want to add new section in your Shopify website, we will see how we can do it as a UI using AI. So let's go. I am on online store. What you need to go, you need to click on edit theme. Edit theme is the main view that we see for Shopify store. This is the front end, what we call for Shopify. Now you want to add some section, but you don't know how to write a code or how to do anything. We can do without writing a single line of code. What? Just click on add new section. Now wherever you want to add section, like on top, bottom, I will just as of now to show you, I will add a section on bottom. When you click on add section here, first option you see generate. What this mean? It is means you just need to write what section you need for your this page. It will generate using AI. You don't need to write anything here about a section with one side image and other side text. Simple. Let's see what will happen. It will automatically generate the code for this section. It is creating the whole CSS, HTML, writing here, and then it will show you. Let's wait. It's done. It looks similar to section which we have, but here here it is on top. I will remove that in bottom as I need it. Here in section you can see the block. This is the AI generated section. Now you can modify it if you don't like it. No, I don't like the this. And here you don't. Now the best thing is it will give you a proper UI section as a Shopify. So you don't need to see code or write code or anything. You just need to see the simple UI that you need to update. So one of the most important thing here is how you write that prompt. Like you want to add new section, click on generate. Category closure. Category, very simple. I just tried, I need a category closure. Let's see what it will create. Here, it's done category closure. You can see created a category closure section. Now you want to modify it. Here you can just need to write title. Let's select some category how it will look. Selection one. After creating this section, you can see in your section bar. Now it will be there. Category slider.